Well, it's a morning connection with Robert and his 914. We are heading to our first Breakfast Club rally. I recently found out about this North Bay area group through a friend. The rally caters to enthusiasts that can participate with vintage and a limited number of modern cars, vans, and trucks. The rally's goal is to promote a non-elitist, brand-agnostic, welcoming atmosphere for car lovers. Participants enjoy scenic drives, camaraderie with fellow car enthusiasts, and a relaxed anti-snob environment. The fantastic participation of enthusiasts makes these Breakfast Club rallies great. Part of that is the folks that put it on have done a great job in producing quality social media content, and more importantly, maximizing an amazing location. The rallies are primarily in the North Bay, which has long since made a name for itself for wineries, beer, and cycling. However, the word is getting out on the amazing diversity of landscapes and roads that now make this a destination for car enthusiasts as well. If you stick with me through the whole video, you will see rolling hills with cypress and pine forests that might remind you of Carmel. You'll also see sweeping pasture lands and cows grazing. You'll get coastal towns with beautiful views, waves crashing on rocks to beaches. Going inland, you will begin to see dense redwood and pine forests. Farther inland, you get the diversity of agriculture from everything of apple orchards to gorgeous vineyards that the area is known for. And lastly, you will see a diverse mix of tiny towns like Duncan Mills or small posh towns like Healdsburg. There are lakes for recreation and the Russian River, which meanders through most of it all. There's a lot to be seen, and this trip even allowed me to see new sites and locations in the area. Again, you will see glimpses of all that, so enjoy the cruising music and a little commentary to go with all of these diverse sites and landscapes. Now, usually I need a spotter when it comes to off-roading, not at a classic car rally. Going into the parking area, I put a tire up in the air, so on the way out, I made sure Robert spotted me. We got the right line, and luckily nobody else got any body damage. Here's the start of many wrong turns and getting lost. All part of the adventure, right? So we're having us a very Sonoma County bodega weather out here. Foggy, overcast. Bet you anything it'll burn off in after lunch. But you know, it was so hot last week or earlier in the week that a little relief does us nicely. Yeah, I think we're gonna stop at Duncan Mills. Cool cute little area, and get some food at the old general store. But yeah, we'll stop there, see how it goes, and then off to Francis Ford Coppola. So I think as we get back inland towards Duncan Mills, fog will maybe burn off a little bit more. But again, we'll see. So far, great roads, a lot of fun.
Good, yeah?
Yeah, beautiful day.
I'm comfortable with it.
Yeah.
But going out to...
Well, on 116, that's where you can spin off.
Yeah. That color.
See my little gimbal.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
I really like it out here. I thought you're in the whole other world.
Oh, yeah. So, my 1989 Firebird is a particularly rare vehicle. It's a limited edition Trans Am 20th anniversary pace car with only 1,555 units produced. This model served as the official pace car for the 73rd Indianapolis 500 race, held in 1989 and won by Emerson Fittipaldi. Particularly rare is its turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 engine, which was only used in the heralded Buick Grand National. It was conservatively rated at 250 horsepower and 340 pound-feet of torque. The pace car had a 0 to 60 of 5.3 seconds and a 13.9 second quarter mile at 95.5 miles an hour. In the 80s, most pace cars were modified, but this one was able to pace the race off the showroom floor. This model stands out not only for its historical significance, but also for its performance and unique design elements, making it a memorable part of Pontiac's storied history. T-tops off. Hopefully you can hear me. Going through some turns, so I gotta focus on the road. But Robert's gonna peel out at Occidental. I'm gonna head to Francis Ford Coppola with the rest of the group. Just beautiful, gorgeous weather. Sun's starting to burn off some of that fog, and we went through Rio on our way to Occidental, and that's where we're gonna split off. But great weather for T-tops. Man, love it. It's gorgeous out. Beautiful canyons. Let's see if we get a look here. These canyon roads are amazing. Alright, well I better catch up to Robert. He's burning. In Occidental, it was time to say goodbye to Robert. I wasn't alone for long, as I luckily found a stray Porsche. Stay tuned to see if that helps us get through the road course a little bit faster. Too funny. I make a wrong turn and my Porsche friend thinks they messed up. Luckily, I corrected my mistake and we were off again. Well, I found me a Porsche. We're the last stragglers. Almost got them lost, but we're on our way. More kind of scenery change. Got orchards. Just went by some vineyards, but here are some Seems to be apple orchard, maybe? We are still on the west side of Sonoma County, just west of Santa Rosa and Windsor. We are heading north, and as you will see, more and more of the amazing vineyards that produce the world-renowned wines that the area is known for. Well, we did it again. Another wrong turn. For my next rally, I will be sure to download the actual map file versus the Google overlay that really only works when you have viable internet connection. I think with my Gaia GPS, it'll be easier to follow. Hey, you live and learn. I do have to apologize as we bypass the main downtown part of Healdsburg. If you haven't already been to Healdsburg, then you'll definitely want to check it out, as long as the prices don't scare you too bad. Yep, that's right. Another wrong turn. This time I'm going to take the lead, and let's see how that turns out, shall we?
A few moments later.
My horse friend up there, we've been taking turns, being the blind that leads the blind, getting lost together as a team. Sometimes he gets lost, sometimes I get lost, but eventually we're gonna make it. Coppola. Well, we were the blind leading the blind, but we made it.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, what's your name?
Every now and then, Ash.
Ash,
Yeah.
I'm the one to blame.
I earned it too.
Navigator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had
It's
to-
not easy. They're like some
No.
stuff came up really fast.
Well, nice meeting you
on.
guys.
Yeah,
I'll see
great
you
to
around
meet
for
you.
sure.
Yeah.
yeah, we'll see what we're
Yeah.
gonna do.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was some fun.
Yeah.
Making friends and enjoying a beautiful drive is what this is all about. I really did enjoy the rally and making this video. If you like seeing classic cars on great roads and beautiful landscapes, then be sure to give a like and subscribe for more. Feedback is greatly appreciated via likes or comments. This is a hobby for me, and I try to learn as I go for future videos. I will continue getting out in the backcountry trails and roads alike, so until then, be sure to get out and explore the backcountry.